bought this house and I do not like to be disturbed.
Well, you don't live here according to the guy that does own it, so.
What guy owns it?
Him.
How old is he? Think he owns a house?
I don't think you own the house.
I own it.
You have a key for it?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
I lost it. How about that?
Well, how about the owner of this property is asking you to get off his property and you're not, and now I'm telling you to.
Look, that sucker Trump don't own this house. I own this truck in this house, and both of y'all know that. He got the keys right there in his hand.
Do you live
I know what you're talking about. It's over for y'all. Y'all don't want to help, you leave it.
Do you live here?
I told you.
No, you told me you own the house. I asked you if you live here.
What's your name?
The owner of this property wants you to leave.
He's not the owner.
So you're telling me that truck's registered to you?
That truck, I bought that truck belongs to me.
Is it registered to you?
It should be.
If I run that plate, it's going to come back to you.
Run the plate, because you didn't run it last time. Y'all didn't run it last time. Sit down.
Shut
down.
Stand up.
Man, don't touch me, man. I ain't scared of your boy. I ain't saying, look. You're going to be taken. Yo, some bull, man. It's over, man. Damn, man. Hey, man, get off me, man. Get off. Man. Yo, man. Hell no.
Get on the ground now.
Get on your stomach.
Man, what kind of...
Get on your stomach.
Look at this.
Get on your stomach.
Roll over now.
Man, look at the tree right here.
Roll over now.
Get on your stomach.
This is some... I can't believe it, man.
Get on your stomach.
This my house, man. Dog.
Put your hand behind your
Man,
back
can
right
you
now.
believe this stuff, man?
Hands behind your back.
Hey, damn. This how they murdered you.
Let go.
That's some bull.
Stop resisting. Stop tensing your
I
arm.
ain't resisting, man.
Let go of your arm. Now. Put it behind your back. Let go. Come on. Let go.
Man, I can't go.
You can easily let go of your arm. Have your arm tensed intentionally. Now put it behind your back, sir. Arm behind your back now.
Man, I can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
You have your arm tensed in a fist. Let go of it.
Here they go. Dude, look at my hand.
You can put it behind your back.
Man.
Hold tight till we get more use.
Oh.
Stop right now.
They murdered you, dog.
Give us this.
Look, man, trying to shoot me now, man.
Put your arm behind your back now. Give me your arm now.
Look, man, it ain't. Look at my hand, man.
Just put your arm behind your
You
back.
can't force these things,
Put
dude.
this arm behind your back. Put your behind your back.
Look at this. This is all they waiting for, dog.
Hold on. Grab these legs.
Stop.
I got one. You guys take your time. Just hold his legs.
We got him.
Oh, Dolo. Yeah, man.
Give us your arm.
Leave him alone, man. Don't do his f***ing legs, man. Let him get up, man.
Roll up to your butt.
Y'all that nasty.
Roll up to your butt.
Hey, man, these my arms, dude.
1, 2, 3. Bring your feet up. There you go.
Need my slides, dude.
I got you.
Somebody pause it, man. Shut up.
Check on Jason. He punched him right in the mouth. Jason.
I ain't racist, dog.
Turn around.
Man, look at this. Look at this, man. Get up there.
Put your
legs
feet
in there. My knee, man.
Move it.
My
Move
knee,
your
man.
knee.
Look at my knee, man.
Move your knee or I'll tase you. Move it in. Move it in. Scoot over.
He don't live here, right?
Nah, he lives at that blue house right there.
And you called us?
He came over here, and I said, hey bro, you gotta leave. He said, it's my house.
Walk away. He decided to punch a cop in the face. He got now he come to walk away.
Who's that guy? Is he related to him?
What the officers don't know is that the suspect's entire family is about to arrive.
All right. He got you right in the face like twice.
It's okay. He got his too.
Is this your house? This is my mom's house. This is your mom's house? Yeah, we gotta stay right now. So I gotta
Did you see what happened today or no?
No, well, I was watering and I just heard Troy telling him to get off his porch and he
Troy
would
is
leave.
which one?
It's the little white guy. That's his mom's house.
Troy lives there?
No, that's his mom's house. I don't think they're home.
It's here.
Troy
He
is
doesn't
here.
stay there though?
No, he doesn't live there, but he comes and goes.
Gotcha.
That's his parents' house.
Sure.
He wouldn't get off the porch. I wasn't there when it started, but I heard the
Does the other
commotion.
guy live here?
He lives in the blue house.
Oh, okay.
That's his brother, but I guess he had an episode and he just wouldn't get off the porch. He thought he lived there.
Okay, I got you.
That's what I heard him saying.
Hey, he's been telling him to leave all day?
Yeah, he been telling him to
You mind walking on the sidewalk or coming over here? So you seen this too?
I was sitting right there. He was telling him to leave like all day.
How long? It's 7 p.m. right now.
3 hours.
I
And
was in
then
the house, so I didn't.
All right.
he was telling him to leave so long, and then I walked over there to try to help him. He told me he won't get off my porch. And I was like, oh, what's going on? So I walked over here to see what was going on. I was like, man, come on, man, get off the porch. You know, oh, no, man, I ain't moving nowhere. This is my house, my truck. Call your
like
mama.
aggressive kind of?
Yeah, like he was getting all big.
about to blow up?
He stood up and everything. He
Yeah,
big.
he's
So I told him, I said, I'm not about to fight with you. That's when I walked away. But then when I looked back over, I seen he was on top of the police, like he was beating them.
So here, I'll tell you what happened. So we got a call from the neighborhood that he was on one of your neighbor's porches.
Yes, I know that. I had already. No, I had already talked to the lady. I already talked to her and told her that I had to go on her porch sometime.
Either way, somebody called us and said they didn't want him there. When we went to talk to him and asked him to leave the porch.
If she called y'all,
Do you want me to talk? Because I am the supervisor.
but we discussed with her, he was okay.
He punched a deputy in the face multiple times.
Right.
But he also injured 2 of my deputies. I got 2 deputies at the hospital right now that are being treated for their injuries. Multiple times.
He wasn't. Every cop knows about Isaac. Every cop.
We are going to respond.
Well,
We're not just going to stand there and let somebody...
Why don't take him to the hospital? Isaac.
Yes, he's at the hospital right now getting medically cleared by a doctor before he goes to jail.
Why you at the hospital?
Because he was injured.
Right, how?
Because we hit him back and we tased him.
I go to the hospital.
He's not at the hospital anymore. He's on his way here.
You just said he was at the
I don't
hospital.
He is at the hospital.
What's his bond?
I don't understand. Every cop I know him. They knows he's a
I'm
mental
not going to
health
speak to you
patient.
anymore. I will speak to her.
Ask him, do he hold on?
No, you can go sit in the car. I'm going to leave. Because I'm not going to sit here and be berated. I will speak to his mother, or I will drive away. Go
Okay.
sit in the car.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want to know, do he held on?
Alan was charged with burglary and assault on a law enforcement officer. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Can we come in?
Yep.
How's it going? I'm Officer Creed. Are you the owner of the house?
Yes.
And this is daughter? Hi! You don't want her here?
She needs to lay down.
Have you been living here?
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Lay down.
I need you guys to separate right now. Can I come in here and talk with you? What's your name? Delaney. You're not, there's nothing to be scared of. You're most likely not going to be arrested tonight.
I know, man.
Just take a breath.
Man in my house. 3 policemen from here the other day for being disrespecting me 2 times. I done saved her.
Have you been living here?
She drove me home.
Have you been living here? Yes. How long have you been staying here? 4 weeks?
So, I need you to get yourself together. Lay down, and I want you to clean up this damn room tomorrow.
She's allowing you to stay here.
I
right now.
know,
Okay, so
but the thing is,
just
I don't have
stop
a large
talking.
storage unit. I
Okay,
have a lot of hair
stop.
products. It is. Can
Delaney.
you look at my hair products?
You just doing too much.
Your son to her. We're gonna talk as adults without him
To
here.
have my baby.
Not right now. We're gonna have an adult discussion.
That's fine.
Let little one go
No,
with her.
I want to hold my baby. Can I hold my baby, please?
Listen to me.
I did nothing wrong to you.
Shut up and listen.
Can I pass him to your mom, please?
I swear, no, I want to get.
Come here.
Sorry.
Have a seat. Delaney, you're not listening. You're making this a lot more
I didn't
difficult.
do anything.
Stop talking! I'm trying to help you.
I swear, I'm not doing.
So then listen to what I'm trying to tell
I didn't
you.
do anything.
I'm not saying you did. I'm trying to explain to you that you're not going to get in trouble, but if you
I know, but
clearly you don't.
can you get this off my?
Get what?
Never mind.
Stop talking for 2 seconds and listen to what I'm telling you.
This is not fair.
Your aunt has been kind enough to allow you to live here for the last... Stop! Nope, stop talking. She is telling you, stop talking and let me finish. Stop!
The only thing I asked her was, can he sleep with me? I didn't do anything. I didn't touch her.
We're
I
not
didn't do
saying you did.
nothing. Well, what is going on then?
Because you're clearly intoxicated.
No, I didn't do anything to her though.
We're not saying you did. But you're being
That's all
disorderly.
I asked her.
This is how it's going to
What
work.
was I being disorderly
You're
with
still
you?
yelling right now. So you're going to lay down. You're going to go to bed. You're going to sleep it off.
That's
If we have...
I just want my baby to play by me. I never meant to do anything wrong to you guys.
Delaney! Stop talking!
I just...
Listen to what I'm telling you. If we have to come back here for you causing a disturbance, you will be arrested.
Yes, sir.
Are we crystal clear on that?
We're not gonna do this. Delaney, you're drunk right now.
Yes, ma'am. I just want...
Listen, right now I don't think it's a good idea to sleep with
But in the morning...
right now.
So is there any reasons or anything that you don't want her kids sleeping with her?
No, I let her sleep. She's so
right.
good. But
Can we step out here for a second? I understand. She's heavily intoxicated.
3 cops at my house, and they wanted to take her in. She drunk out of her mind. And then she's snatching him up. She got in trouble for abuse for the baby.
Bring it down.
What the f does she know that lady? What does she know? What kind of lady?
Just talk to me. I'm right here.
This don't know shit about what came out of me.
Stop. That is enough.
She is very intoxicated.
Can I talk to Auntie, please? Can I? No, please. Auntie! Can you talk to me?
No, she won't listen.
I swear I didn't do anything to you.
Come out of
Auntie! Auntie! Hey, what did I do? Wait, Auntie!
You're not supposed to be drinking.
They didn't tell me that. No, wait. Wait.
There's no way.
Wait, Auntie.
You're on waiting.
What am I doing? Auntie. No, wait. No, I need my girl to take my phone. Hold on, Auntie. Get my phone. My auntie needs to grab my phone first. What are you doing? You're trying to walk me in a... Wait! What are you doing? My... Ow! Ow!
Stop.
Sorry.
You are doing it.
No,
You are.
not.
Yes, you are.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Wait. Come on, please. Wait, sir. Wait.
Get in the car.
Wait, no. Right here.
Got it.
No. Ma'am. You don't understand, ma'am. Look right here. Not turning.
Because you're moving around.
It's hurting.
You're not going to win that battle with that leg. She's got to go all the way through.
No,
Put your legs in now.
I'm sorry. Sir, I'm not doing it.
We're done. She's trying to spit on you. Knock it off. Right overhead. Yep. You're doing this all to yourself. Take control. Sit up like an adult.
I can't do it. I can't breathe. I can't
Yes, you
breathe. I
can.
can't breathe. I can't.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I can't.
You're acting like a child. Do you understand the judge is going to see how you're acting?
Please, sir.
He's going to see you kicking at us.
I swear.
You got to understand that people are going to watch your actions. The same guy that gave you the ability to be out and free right now is going to have to make a decision on whether you get held again. Don't put your foot out. He's going to see that. Now stop. I told you. No, I'm a police officer, and I told you to keep your feet in. You're making this whole situation.
Kill me.
Yes, kick your foot in.
I don't know what to do.
Sit there and be quiet.
I don't know. Can I talk to somebody?
Stop pushing on me.
Can I talk to somebody else?
No, I'm the sergeant.
Please.
I'm all you get.
Please.
No.
I need to talk to somebody. No.
Y'all gotta calm down?
No.
No.
Can we go over why you called? What prompted this behavior today?
I've been around the house and she been gone. She was good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't drink. I just wanted to listen there. And she came, and then her boyfriend, they came. They started drinking. So, gosh, I told her she just go to sleep. Don't do it. She won't. It's not obvious. Don't like to listen. Can't do nothing about it. I was like, get out the car. She was yelling and screaming. I said, SB, you cannot be doing this like this. And she did me like this.
So she was screaming outside the comedy club?
No, I was here.
When you guys got back?
I got back here. She pulled up.
How'd she get here?
Drove. She wasn't supposed to be driving.
So she did drive?
Yes. I said, SB, what is she doing? And I was like, you know what? I'm sick of this. I've been bending over backwards for you. You've been disrespecting me and disrespecting my house and disrespecting me. And then, I don't want this and that. I said, you know what? Just, you and your boyfriend, get your stuff and you move back in with him.
So, I'm sorry. There's a lot going on. Well, why was she yelling when she showed back up?
Yelling at him. To get into it with him.
So they were about to argue, so that's when you told her that she couldn't be yelling,
like that.
calm
Yeah,
down,
people's always,
and then she starts yelling at you.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you tell her she needs to pack her stuff and we can get out, and then is that when we show up?
And then she grabbed her baby and almost fell with him. I said, you don't supposed to be around him drinking or nothing.
Do you have any other questions for me? Okay.
Thank you.
Yep, if you have any other issues or questions, feel free to call. I'll be in the area until about 6 a.m. tonight.
You can always feel that tense atmosphere in similar confrontations from the very first second, especially when someone has already made up their mind to resist. Every breath they take seems to fuel the conflict. I quickly learned that simply wearing a uniform doesn't earn you respect. More often than not, whether or not you earn respect depends on how you present yourself. Your presence, your level of training, even your physical fitness. These are all factors that determine whether someone will think twice before challenging you. That's why self-defense training is more than just a box to check off in the academy. The public doesn't see the countless hours of training that police officers undergo, but when a suspect decides to challenge the law with their fists, those hours of practice are what determine whether you can stand your ground. What most people overlook is that being a cop is not just about fighting crime or pulling a trigger. The first weapon you should reach for is your words. Whether it's a man ready to throw down on a porch or a drunk young woman, well-timed words can often turn the situation from a conflict to a peaceful compliance, preventing it from escalating into a confrontation that ends in handcuffs. When conflict comes to you, trust me, it will eventually happen. Your badge won't protect you. It won't give you courage, and your uniform won't be your true shield. In the end, the only thing that will determine the outcome is whether you're strong enough, skilled enough, and disciplined enough to handle what's in front of you. If you can't do that, you'll only learn, through painful experience, that this job doesn't tolerate any form of weakness. Delaney was charged with felony and misdemeanor bail jumping, resisting arrest, and disturbing the peace. Until proven guilty in court, she remains presumed innocent.